Is your database-driven software pathing failed due to the Libmysql.dll? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows Systems Specialist. Let's repair your internal links and get you back to work. As we prepare to resolve Libmysql, consider using the diagnostic path below to ensure a stable environment for your libraries. This DLL file is the client connector library for MySQL databases. It allows Windows applications to connect to remote or local MySQL servers to perform data queries and manage relational database records. With that background out of the way, here is how we actually restore the missing component. The Libmysql.dll is functionally required for your database-driven software to operate. Downloading and reinstalling the current official version of your database-driven software from the developer will repair any missing or broken application files found in your system. When a standard software refresh isn't enough, we need to bypass the automated installers and look at manual system state resets. A simple restart can resolve file-in-use errors that mimic a missing the libmysql message. It's a low-effort step that ensures your operating system starts with a clean execution stack. Don't forget to bookmark the video or give it a like before you restart. It's the fastest way to jump right back into this tutorial after the reboot. It's worth taking a moment to discuss the safe acquisition of runtime components. Protect your PC by avoiding the temptation of quick manual fixes for the Libmysql. Most free DLL websites are optimized for ad revenue rather than safety, often leading users to download harmful or obsolete software. For a reliable way to monitor these specific library interactions, I've included a professional resource link in the description. The optimization resource linked in the description provides background information on synchronizing the Libmysql. Thank you for trusting us with the Libmysql repair today. For more system-level tips and error resolutions, don't forget to like and subscribe.